Alright, Trace has just gotten through listening to the nice lady tell us all about the hotel. And now we're going to find Shane and Michelle and go to our room. Level 5. Nice. Are we going anywhere, Shane? Or let's just. You got to swipe your card, I think.
It's on 7, just room.
Not us. We're on 5.
Oh, where were we before?
I don't know.
3?
Maybe. Here we go. I don't know what room number I got. I know we're level 5. Ooh, some snacks. So 5039.
That's where I'm at.
Shane, you're not going to be able to go to the toddlers pool. Because it's closed. Oh, nice. We got pool view upgrade. Haha, snobs. Yeah, pool view, and you can't see anything. Swipe away. I've already done a room tour, but we'll do one more because this has got family bed. Ooh, room's cold. Thank you. Okay, we're here. G'day. The alcohol over there. In. Steal the card. Thank you. Alright, we've now got lights. It's the toilet. Shower. What's the shower head like? Interesting. It's even got an extra shower head. Got your mini bar. We'll be putting the Tiger beers in there in a minute. Coffee machine, coffee cups, water. I remember last time, you gotta be careful pushing that down. And I think there's a lever, that's it. And the back here, that's how you release that. See, it goes up and down, but it's here. They caught us out last time. Ah, and April's already made it into our room. We have got a good pool view room. Look at that. Quite literally. We'll be able to see the fireworks, but not really, because they're more over to that way. There's fireworks? Yes. Oh, bar. Well, I'm going to put my bag down. The bar. Well, I normally do a bed test, so let's do the bed test. Okay. So, what's the bed like? Oh, very hard. Okay. And pillows? Yeah, that'll be alright. Mould to the head. Nice. King size bed. They don't have a wardrobe in the room, but it has coat hanger. This is a door that goes through into the other room, as is that, and we'll just sneak through because you can go and then you're into the other room.
You're not doing a bed review in my room.
No, we're not. I'm just going to show them. You get a full-size mirror. Ah, slightly different layout. Too good. Alrighty. Got a drawer with your own personal safe. And you can get yourself some slippers. And a hairdryer. The room even comes with coat hangers, which we just noticed, which little levers pull out. But last time we were here, there wasn't any coat hangers, so they might be left behind, or they are considerate and gave us coat hangers. So the view's good, but lots of ships out the back as well. So this room has 2 single beds. And then again, pool view. TV. No joining room for this one. Has your rubbish bin, cupboards under the sink, minibar fridge, hair dryer, slippers, safe, toilet again, shower, fancy shower head. Get one of those bidet toilets, mirror, even get coat hangers, typical sink. Just remember the plug thing actually goes up and down from here, the back of the tap. I could do with a sign for that. But yeah, you get normal power points. There is USB charging as well. Smaller room, 2 beds, well, 2 single beds. It's alright. Then there's the pools. There are 2 pools at the Village Hotel. This is the top pool. It's not very deep. It's definitely nice and warm. You'd want to grab yourself a towel. They're hard to come by at the moment for some reason. And then there's the bottom pool. Has an ocean view. You get to see the ships. If you're in here at night time, you get to see the fireworks. I wish the pool still had the floaties that they used to have, but for some reason they don't have them anymore. So the next Singapore Sling is actually at Village Hotel, at the poolside, at the bar. That's actually really good. And presentation wise, I'm going to give it to the Village Hotel. Taste wise, it's pretty good as well. There's not much difference in them, but yeah, it's pretty good. I think maybe Raffles, but this one so far is still pretty good.
You can't open it.
Oh, he's so tough. The good bit about being the YouTuber is I can edit the video and I get to say what goes on YouTube. I'm sucked in. Some bit of content might never make it. You're a constable. Watch it. Oh. Saved your life twice now.
Well, first you go to go-kart. Or we having that?
I am like, Jesus. I save people's life for a living.
Plane. The plane.
At 1,000 litres an hour, I kind of think it's irresponsible in world environment today to be wasting so much, but it's meant to be green.
That's good, Charlie. Thank you.
I don't have any content anyway.
You are the star of the show.
This should just be a whole video in itself.
Well, that's what vloggers do. They vlog. They vlog rubbish.
Mr. Gav.
Alright. Back in business. The Village Hotel, you get a bar. You get to sit at the bar. Look at that, Singapore Sling. Someone else is having one. Next to the vending machine is an ice machine. It also has water, and then there's a drawer. And in that drawer is coffee, tea, sugar, spoons, but no hot water. And then there's the gym. There's plenty of treadmills, exercise bikes, weights, balls. You can even get yourself a drink while you're here, but I never used it. Village Hotel actually has got a secret door. And that secret door is not the main entrance, but this entrance. Okay. Whew. There you go, Lockie. Got your plate, mate. What's wrong with that? He didn't like his plate. Yeah, bacon. Some eggs.
Fried ones.
Fried, scrambled. It's pretty good. That's the Yorkshire trace. The fruit.
for dinner?
I don't know, like naan bread.
Oh,
Smells good. Oh, chicken curry. That's pretty cool. You get curry for
you need to put one of
breakfast.
these on. I don't know what they are. But I want to see what's in.
It's like a dumpling.
Oh, it's tasty, isn't it?
I don't know. I bet that's nasty.
It's weird. It's lovely. Curious.
Okay, I've saved the best bit for last, the fireworks. If you have a pool view or an ocean view room, you can watch them. If you don't, that's okay. You can head down to the pool area and you can see the fireworks very clearly from there. After 3 visits and staying here 3 times, I must say I'm very impressed again with the Village Hotel. If you like what you've seen today, please like and subscribe.